All right, back again, guys. Cole is back, and he finally got his Series 2 in the mail today. He's been waiting all day, even faked a sickness at school to try to get home a little early. No, I'm just joking. But he's been excited to try to get his first hobby box, and he's going to break it for you guys right now. So we have the Series 2 Upper Deck 21-22 hobby box, looking for some Young Guns and some special cards. All right, Cole's here.
Get this started.
Get this open. Get this bad boy started. And as you can see in the back real quick, I got all these things here. Link down below in the video. All listed on eBay right now for breaks. I will live break on YouTube. And let's see, we got the autographed football mini helmet from Hit Parade. We have the official Game Puck version over here. We got two of those. We have the Artifacts 21-22, 22-23. I have those up for a random team for a double box break, and then we have this other mini helmet over here. I know one of them, let's see, this is the first round edition, and then this one is Mahomes Hurts kind of special edition. So let's go, Cole. All you, bud. Let me crack this box here. Again, Double J breaks. I will be breaking on Sunday. The hockey pucks go Sunday, and then whenever the artifacts go, they go. Because it's a random team, 32 spots.
Oh my gosh. So much packs.
Yep, tons of packs, right? Get this garbage out of the way. Again, link in the description for the eBay store where you can find all the breaks. Here, let's not mess these around. I know it's your first time, but we got to keep this nice and neat. We got to keep our cards fresh.
True.
Keep our cards fresh and neat. Let's get this box out of there. Get that box out of there. Awesome. All right. Whenever you're ready, dude. Nope.
The box.
Whenever you're ready.
All right.
Start ripping it open. Let's go.
This one?
Ripping. Looking for Young Guns. Let me see this hobby box. Let's see what we got going on. Again, 1 in 4. Hopefully with the hobby box it'll be better. But let's go, Cole. We're not going to read all of them off because there's a lot of cards here. So you run until we get to that special card in the deck.
We have a Stars.
We're not going to run through all
I'm just going to say the team.
Yep, go ahead.
Stars, Flames, Islanders, and
first one, Superstar Portraits, Honor Roll, Nikolai Ehlers.
Cool. All right, for the Blackhawks, for the Hurricanes.
There's only going to be one per pack, sir, so let's speed it up.
For the Oilers
we don't have to go through all
Ducks.
of them, sir. We're going to find that hit, and we're going to move it on to the next one. Let's go ripping, ripping, ripping. Then we got the All-Star game tonight. Our All-Star starting tonight. We got the skills competition in the game tomorrow. Go ahead, fly through that. Let's see what's next. Turn that bad boy upside down. We have a blue. Don't try not to ruin it here. Parker Kelly, O-Pee-Chee, blue border. Put that in the sleeve. All right. Scroll through.
Oh, we got a duplicate.
Oh, from the last one, yeah.
From the last one.
Get a lot of duplicates. All right, rip that next one. Let's go.
A lot of packs to go through.
Yeah, so let's go, dude. It's on you. Watch the corners, watch the corners, watch the corners, watch the corners. All right, roll.
Sabres, sweet.
Yeah, Sabres, there you go. Okay. In case you guys want to see this, we got Marquee rookie, Michael Hauser. Haven't really seen him because Ukko-Pekka Luukkonen's playing pretty well. Sabres are playing pretty well. They did get stomped the other night, but it's alright.
Doesn't hurt them.
Let's go, Cole. Waiting on you, man.
Here we go. All we really want here.
Alright, let's roll, dude. Waiting on you, man.
Shoot, you guys just got a sneak peek.
There we go. Marc-Andre Fleury, Opeachy. Okay, roll.
And I guessed his nickname the other night and won a bet.
As he mentioned in the first video. Gotta keep rubbing it in on his dad.
I can't get this one open.
Let me show you how to do this, sir.
Okay. I can take it from you, Dad. Woo! First one. Sabres. Generally, Yuki Haru.
You can fly through all those. All we want is the one in the middle, man. That's it. Matthew Phillips, right here.
Sweet.
Marquee rookie. Looks like they added a lot of Opeachy inserts this time.
Yeah.
Next.
Alright. Down with the first pile.
Don't smack him on the table, man.
Alright. Here we go.
Don't want to dent the corners. Alright. UD Portrix, Alex Newhook from Colorado. Alright, next pack.
No. What are you talking about?
Oh, there's no other cards that are inserts in there, sir. There's only one insert per pack.
So far, no Young Guns. I'm surprised. First hobby box, and there's no Young Guns.
It's alright. See what we got. Collect 6 Young Guns from every box. So we know there's 6 in here. I'm feeling it. This pack is it. Let's go. Be careful with it. That means be careful with it. Let's see. Was I right?
Yeah. Young Guns. Sweet.
Brandon Duhaime. Nice. Alright. We got a Young Guns from the Wild. Cool. Alright. Next one. I guess I was right. I should have bet you my $10 back.
Nope. I already spent that $10.
Oh, yeah. You're right. Alright, keep it rolling, man.
Cruising through. I've never seen this much hockey cards in my life.
Besides in Dad's collection?
Well.
Alright, let's get to that insert. Let's go.
Ooh.
Duncan Keith. Oilers Opeachy. Let's go. Come on, Cole, let's go. We're waiting on you, man.
I know!
Watching yourself.
Oh, baby!
There you go.
Now we got a good card. A big jersey.
Sampo Ranta. Rookie Materials jersey. There you go.
Whee!
There you go. Alright, nice. There you go.
I got this. Double.
If you'd like to find an auto, that'd be nice. Nice autograph.
Yeah, that'd be sweet.
That would be cool.
This is gonna give me something to do.
Alright, let's go. Let's go. Rolling. Rolling. There we go. We have Niels Lundqvist. Marquee rookie.
Sabres, call him there.
Moss collect. Just make a new pile for the.
Alright.
The goal is to unwrap without denting the cards, without denting the corners, right? Alright, let's roll. Let's see what we got in this one. Maybe a Young Guns. No, never mind. I saw it. Go ahead. Let's roll.
Oh, baby!
Fluorescience.
I've never seen one of those.
And a Young Gun. Look at that.
Oh, baby!
Fluorescence. Oh, jeez. Fluorescence. Yikes. Igor Chichkanov. That's pretty cool.
And we got the Young Gun.
Not numbered, but that's okay. And then we got the Hendrix Leperrier Young Guns.
I think we got a little lucky on this one.
Well, we'll get lucky when we get an auto. How's that?
Well, I mean, this one was a 2. Good card.
Yeah, that was a 2-banger. That was nice.
Sweet. I've never seen one of those cards before.
Well, you just started collecting these, so that would make sense, my son.
Well, do you have one of these? Have you ever seen one?
I don't, because I didn't really collect these Upper Deck.
Alright, TJ, Yoshi seems to be everybody's favorite here.
Fluorescence Red, 1 in 144 packs. That's pretty good.
144 packs?
Yep, Fluorescent Red. That's what that is, a Fluorescent Red. Igor Chichkanov.
Wait, was there anything in here?
Surprised it's not numbered.
There's nothing in here.
Nope, I guess not.
Well, good cards. We got sold out in that one.
Oh, you had 2 on the last one, so.
Well, probably took one of them away.
Hopefully that's not our box hit. That's cool, but. So keep it rolling.
Here we go.
Yep.
Starting with the Golden Knight. Alright.
Upper Deck Portraits, Niels Lundqvist from the New York Rangers. Okay, let's go.
And then out to Vexen, everybody's other favorite.
Well, not everybody's.
Well,
all right.
Down here.
Let's go. Oh, yes. We are in the DMV area. So, everybody, we get a lot of Ovechkin lovers down here. I am actually originally from Buffalo, New York. Hence the Bills and the Sabres love. Let's see what we got here.
Ryan
Suter. Backwards. OPC. Okay.
Let's keep it rolling.
Yep, let's keep it rolling. That is right, sir.
Alright. We still have 1, 2, 3. How many packs do we have left?
Roll with it.
Ryan O'Reilly, he used to play for the Buffalo Sabres, didn't he?
O'Reilly, yep, he sure did. We still have, what, 4 more Young Guns to hit in here. Oh, there's one right there. Gregory Hoffman from the Blue Jackets. Cool. That means we have 3 left.
Wonder who we will get.
I don't know. I don't know.
Alright. Last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yep,
last 9
cards. Let's rip them. Let's go.
Keep them right here.
Watch those corners.
Come on.
Watch those corners.
Alright, here we go.
Yep, let her roll. Pozo. Upper Deck Canvas, Craig Smith. Okay. Keep it rolling, sir. Not doing too bad for your first hobby box. What do you think about it?
Yeah, I think it's pretty good.
Think it's pretty good?
Yeah.
I think it's pretty good. I think it's pretty cool that you got a 1 in 144 pack. That was pretty cool.
That was awesome. I mean, 1 in 140 packs, you said?
Yep, 1 in 144 packs of fluorescent red.
And so that is pretty nice.
That is pretty cool.
Another
canvas. Cam Fowler, excuse me.
Cameron. He's number 4 too.
Yeah, maybe that's why. Cam Fowler. All right, sir. Let's keep it rolling.
Ah!
Here, let me help you, sir.
I got it.
All right. I wonder if that means that there's a good card in there. So hard to get open.
Wait, wasn't the thing that we had struggle with the one? Oh, if you look from the top.
What?
If you look from the top, it looks like there's a Dazzler in there.
A Dazzler? All right, let's see. See if you're right. I don't know. I'm feeling a Dazzler.
Yeah, exactly what I said.
There you go, Dazzler. Mikko Rantanen. Watch those corners, sir.
Wait, hold on, Dad. Watch this. Watch this.
Yeah, that's pretty cool, huh? A Dazzler. Try not to let the cards touch the table. All right, what do we got? Another 2 Young Guns to go? No, 2 Young Guns. I think so.
2 Young Guns? No. We got... Yeah, there's 3.
1, 2...
We have 6 packs left.
3. Oh, we got 3 Young Guns left then. All right, 3 Young Guns, 6 packs.
All right, I think one might be in this one.
All right, well, we go 50-50 on these last 6 cards. I'm thinking you're right. Let's roll. Try not to let the cards touch the table. There we go.
Young Gun.
Oh, what do we got? Jan Jenik. There we go. Jan Jenik. There you go. Focus on it. Okay. All right. Down to 2 Young Guns. Keep those Young Guns coming. Maybe, see, we're guaranteed to get 2 more, but maybe we'll get lucky and there'll be an extra one.
Ooh.
Come on, let's go. Roll.
Pick the middle one. Alright, we're starting with Wild. San Jose, sure.
Feeling Young Guns. Oh, maybe not.
Blue Jackets.
Oh, yeah.
Young!
There we go, Young Gun.
Yeah, so I was feeling the middle one.
Lesheim.
I was feeling the middle one. I was feeling
right. Does that mean we have 1 left?
Well,
1 left.
Lucky.
At least 1 left. 4 packs.
If we get it lucky, we might. 2.
Come on, Cole, roll. We're right on you, dude. You're the star of the show right now.
I know, I was picking a pack. I didn't know which one. Alright, I wonder if the last Young Gun is here. If the last Young Gun is in here, you guys have to subscribe.
Let's see. Yep, like Cole said. Oh,
you guys have to subscribe.
That is a hot card right now.
Woo!
Nice.
You guys have to subscribe.
Oh, hang on. What happened?
What happened?
Oh, there we go.
Alright.
Quentin Byfield.
You guys have to subscribe now.
Cole said it. If we hit a Young Gun on this pack, you gotta subscribe. Subscribe for Cole, especially on the Quentin Byfield.
It's a good card.
There we go, Young Guns.
Wait, is that number 55?
Yep,
Oh!
number 55.
It has it on the box. It has it on, like, it had it on the 2 boxes we did earlier.
Mm-hmm. He's
for a young
good
gun.
player, good young guy.
Alright, here we go.
Let's go. Rip the last ones here. We got 3 packs left. Maybe we'll get lucky, get one more. Maybe we'll get something else that's good.
Maybe we'll get one of those red ones.
Another red one? I doubt another red one, but that'd be nice.
Oh.
Let's get something else that's cool.
Let's get another Dazzler.
Maybe a rookie materials, maybe a numbered card. That'd be cool. Oh, we got a checklist.
That's cool. Alright. Ooh. For the Ducks.
Jamie Drysdale. There we go. Superstar honor roll. Alright, down to 2 packs.
2 packs left.
Let's see.
Which one?
Good luck.
Which
I'd
one?
say do the one on the left first.
Comment down below on which one you want.
I'm saying left.
Alright, left one's the one.
Let's see. Do you think we get another young gun? I don't know.
If we get a Dazzler, you guys have to subscribe.
Right, come on, shred
again.
Let's go.
If we get a Dazzler,
well, I can't subscribe twice.
Well, actually, then leave a like on this video.
Oh, this one looks cool.
Not.
Oh, Upper Deck Canvas, Miro Heiskanen.
Dallas.
Alright, got that one. One last pack. This is our last pack for good luck. Wish us good luck. Wish Cole good luck. Let's go, Cole. Rip it.
See, can we find something good? Can we find something good? Well, we found a Buffalo Sabres at the end. That's pretty cool.
Alright, let's go. Let's see what we got. Maybe we'll get lucky. Oh, we got a canvas. I saw it.
Yeah, I think everyone
Josh
saw
Norris, Upper Deck Canvas. Alright. Thank you.
Got this.
Alright.
This. And
well,
a
that
Saber.
is it. Cole, what do you think? How'd you like your first?
It was awesome.
How'd you like your first hobby box? Huh?
That was
That's
awesome.
pretty cool. Let's review real quick. So we have Young Gun, Jake Leschinen. Not sure how to say it.
Comment down below.
And we have Gregory Hoffman, Young Gun. That was good. We have Brandon Duhaime, Young Gun. Nice. We have a Quentin Byfield, Young Gun. Gotta get him in a hard case. We got a Jan Jenik, Young Gun. And what, we have one more Young Gun? Where is he? Where's that? Yep. And Hendrik Laperriere, Young Gun.
I'm pretty mad.
And we have Upper Deck Portraits, Niels Lundqvist. We have an O-Pee-Chee, Michael Hauser. An O-Pee-Chee, Parker Kelly, Border Blue. We have a Mikko Rantanen, Dazzlers. An Upper Deck Canvas, Cam Fowler. Upper Deck Canvas, Craig Smith. Upper Deck Canvas, Josh Norris. Upper Deck Canvas, Miro Heiskanen. We have a Jamie Drysdale honor roll. We have, where's that other honor roll? I know we have another. Oh, here it is. We have a Nikolai Ehlers honor roll. We got O-Pee-Chee, Marc-Andre Fleury. Marquee rookie, Matthew Phillips. Upper Deck Portraits, Alex Newhook. We have Duncan Keith, Ryan Suter. O-Pee-Chee, another marquee rookie, Niels Lundqvist.
O-Pee-Chee?
We have, yeah, it's O-Pee-Chee. And we have a rookie materials, Sampo Ranta. That was pretty cool. And this is the best one. It was cool.
We'll have to look this one up.
Igor Chinnikov. Maybe we will. Hopefully he turns out to be really good.
We might get this graded, guys. And we might.
Alright, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Again, we're going to have these breaks go to my eBay website. We're going to have our breaks here. Alright. Going to have the breaks going on. Sunday, I know I'm breaking the 2 pucks. And next Wednesday, I'll have the first round edition. I believe the first round edition football helmet. And then I'm planning for next Friday or Saturday for the other football helmet. And then the artifacts, again, whenever it sells out, it's going to be both boxes. And we're going to have them go in at a random team break. So it's only $14. If you buy 2, you get 10% off. Go on eBay, check it out. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.
See you guys. Make sure to subscribe.